It's a lot of cloud lightning. Not surprised because this is pretty common. Wait for the car to pass. It's pretty common. The inflow's over there. Starts farthest inflow I can see is over there. And then we're enters to the thunderstorm. So a lot of lightning causes a lot of lightning. Could be some positive lightning too. There was one CG already came out near, but I'm kind of weary the positive lightning could strike from up there. So I hope that doesn't like happen close to me. Okay, it looks like it's spinning. I did a little time lapse. See, it is. It looks like it's spinning. That does look like a wall cloud. And yeah, I think that's spinning. CG is happening there.